We're going to use the slope formula. The slope formula says m equals y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. That's the slope formula. Now, you could graph these ordered pairs over here that they give us and draw the line, and that would be great. And you could see the slope maybe. But sometimes it's hard to see what the slope is. So we're going to go ahead and use the formula. Now, I tell students, go ahead and label your points. Make this x sub 1, y sub 1, and make this one x sub 2, y sub 2. Now, it doesn't really matter which point's first and which point's second. You can switch that if you want, but you have to be consistent. So when I'm following this slope formula, I'm going to say y sub 2, which is 3, minus, remember it's minus, y sub 1, which is negative 1. Now sometimes students think, oh, I already have a minus sign in there, but that minus sign is from the formula. This minus sign is coming from that negative 1. So you got to put those both in there. Okay, x sub 2 is negative 5, minus from the formula 2, which is x sub 1. And then we're going to calculate this. I'm going to get 3 plus 1 over negative 7, or 4 over negative 7. I would just put the negative out to the side and say the slope is negative 4 over 7. So it means the line's going downhill because it's got a negative slope. But you could graph these points and you could see that. Okay, so there's the slope. Now this problem says identify the slope and the y-intercept. Well, it's in slope-intercept form. It's in the form y equals mx plus b. So we kind of already did this, but what's the slope then? Slope is negative 3/4. And what's the y-intercept? The y-intercept is negative 4. And again, some textbooks like to just put the negative 4. Sometimes they like to write it as an ordered pair because it is a point. So that doesn't matter to me, but they might care.